Hey guys, it's a great joy to welcome you all to today's video. This video is all about a leafy vegetable which relieves stress. This leafy vegetable is called as Vallare in Tamil, which literally translates to strength, Sarvastaku in Telugu, Saraswati in Hindi. It has to be consumed at least once in a week or 10 days. The benefits of this plant are: it increases memory power in kids, it treats mouth and intestine ulcer, it increases HB count. When it comes to care, all it requires is a good amount of water. That's it. It will grow in bunch and you can harvest them very quickly and cook at least once in a 10 days or week. So please add it to your kitchen garden.